Before we start, I want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to MiniLuxury. Many of the world's richest billionaires built their wealth from scratch. Raphael Badziak, an entrepreneur and expert in the psychology of entrepreneurship, spent 5 years conducting face-to-face interviews with 21 self-made billionaire entrepreneurs around the world, defined as those with a net worth of at least $1 billion, and researching their lives and companies. In his book, The $1 Billion Secret, 20 Principles of Billionaire Wealth and Success, he shared how each of those billionaires made their first million. Some earned it through the businesses they founded, while others earned it through investments or by working for someone else's company. Number 1. Altrad. Altrad's the founder and chairman of Altrad Group, which offers services and equipment for the construction industry in more than 100 companies and is the world leader in scaffolding. Altrad owns the Montpellier Hérault Rugby Club and has written 3 novels. Number 2, Tony Tan Caktiong made his first million in the food service business. The founder and chairman of Jollibee Foods, Asia's largest food service company. It operates 13 restaurant chains and has more than 4,300 restaurant outlets in 18 countries worldwide. Number 3, Jack Cohen made his first million with fried chicken. Cohen's the owner, chairman, and managing director of Competitive Foods Australia, one of the country's largest food processors. It's also the country's largest franchisors of restaurants, including fast food to Australia with KFC, Burger King, and Domino's Pizza. Number 4, Cy Dongqing made his first million by selling little toy trumpets. The founder and chairman of Alpha Group, an animation corporation in China. It also operates in movies, operas, theme parks, and other interactive activities ranging from entertainment to consumer projects. Dongqing has been called the Walt Disney of China. Number 5, Tim Draper made his first million with a venture capital investment in Parametric. Draper is a Silicon Valley venture capitalist. He's considered to be one of the most connected investors in Silicon Valley, and is credited as the investor and the inventor of viral marketing, according to Badziak. Draper founded VC Films, Draper Fisher, Dravetson, and Draper Associates. Number 6, Sergey Galitsky made his first million through the distribution business. Galitsky is the founder and CEO of Magnet, Russia's largest food retailer and non-state employer. It has more than 17,000 convenience stores, cosmetic stores, hypermarkets, and supermarkets. Number 7, Peter Hargreaves made his first million with financial services. Hargreaves is an industry leader in the UK's financial services sector. His business, Hargreaves Lansdowne, manages assets up to $120 billion. Number 8, Frank Hasenfratz made his first million through defense work. Hasenfratz is the founder and chairman of Linamar, which specializes in the production of automotive powertrain systems and wind turbines. It's considered one of the most innovative, tech-savvy, and profitable enterprises in the industry. Number 9, Naveen Jain made his first million working for Bill Gates. Jain has a hefty resume. The founder of InfoSpace, now Lucora, which provides internet-related services, Intellis, a public records business, TalentWise, which helps employees complete background checks, Moon Express, which helps commercial lunar landers, Blue Dot, a tech company that provides location data, and Viome, a biotech company. He's vice chairman of Singularity University and trustee of the X Prize Foundation. Number 10, Kim Byung-soo made his first million through computer games. Byung-soo is the founder and chairman of South Korean internet company Kakao. Kakao operates mobile messenger Kakao Talk, which is used by 95% of Korean smartphone owners, search engine Dome, and music streaming service Melon. Number 11, N.R. Narayana Murthy made his first million with software. Murthy is the co-founder and CEO of software giant Infosys, the first Indian company to be listed on NASDAQ. Infosys has minted 6 other billionaires and more than 4,000 millionaires. Murthy's been hailed as one of the 12 greatest entrepreneurs of our time by Fortune magazine. Number 12, Husnu Ozyegan made his first million working as a bank president for 13 years. He's created 75 companies in 12 countries. He's also the founder of Yozgat University in Istanbul. He founded Finansbank and then branched out his business activities to finance, retail, real estate, energy, health, and hotels. Number 13, Lirio Albino Parisoto made his first million with electronic retail. Parisoto is the largest investor in the Brazilian stock market. He founded Videolar, an early manufacturer of audio and video tapes, floppy disks, CDs, DVDs, and Blu-rays. Now, it's a petrochemical company and major manufacturer of plastic materials in Brazil. Number 14, Dilip Shangavi made his first million with psychiatric medicines. Shangavi is the founder and managing director of Sun Pharmaceuticals, India's largest drug maker. He's the world's wealthiest person in the pharmaceutical industry. Number 15, Ron Sim made his first million by selling household products. Sim's the founder, chairman, and CEO of Osem International, which makes high-end massage chairs. He's also a stakeholder in Singapore and China malls and owner of TWGT, Brookstone, Rich Life, and GNC. Number 16. Mikhail Solowow made his first million in construction. Solowow has started and sold several companies in the construction, real estate development, retail, and production sectors. His main assets are the floorboards, ceramics and tiles, and chemical industry. He also invests in tech and startups. But this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, because I'm sure you'll love them. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.